how to use Facebook Marketplace to sell products. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can actually use Facebook Marketplace to sell products. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to use Facebook Marketplace to basically sell products, it's actually quite simple. Open up Facebook and just go to the marketplace. I'm sure you can find Facebook Marketplace. So over here, Facebook Marketplace is basically just the platform that you can use to buy and sell used or new products online. So if you also want to sell your products, you can tap the sell option, which is right at the top of the marketplace feed. From the bottom, select you're selling an item, vehicles, or properties for rent. So once you select those options over here, you'll be able to see all this, where first of all, of course, you have to add the images of your products over here. So depending upon what you're selling, just add the images of the product. Once you select those, you can just enter your title, the price, the categories, the condition, enter the description of the product, and then you can also enter tags. You can also list it as a single item if you want. Now this is a really cool feature, or whether you want to list as a stock item if you're selling in stock. You can offer a delivery if you offer that as well, and you can select what kind of method preferences you prefer, such as public meetup, door pickup, or door drop off. If you want to hide the marketplace listing from your friends, you can choose to hide it from your friends and then tap the next option at the very top in order to use Facebook Marketplace. And this way you can leverage Facebook Marketplace to your benefit in order to sell products. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.